For a little experiment, we got harnesses on the kittens, and they are tolerating them, though he keeps trying to chew the front. So now, hey baby, come here, come here. We're going to see what he thinks of outdoors. There you go, baby. Come on. We're going to take you outdoors and see if you like it. I just don't want you to get eaten. There you go, baby. There you go. Now you can go outside and you can explore. He's probably going to get real scared the first time, but maybe after a while you can go for walks. I think a bird just came by my foot. Oh yeah. See that little sound he's doing? That's because he's looking to hunt for something. You okay, baby? You okay? Hear that? That's a hunting instinct. I'll turn this off for now since he's just sitting here chilling. Bird under the car, so he is actually really getting all jonesed up for that bird. You see that bird, baby? Yeah. You getting ready to go after that bird? Yeah. I want you to kill mice, not birds. Yeah. I think he's part excited and part petrified. If you listen. Come on, baby. Come on. There you go. Oh, yeah, he got interested. Come on, baby. This way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't want you getting jammed into the car. Come on. This way. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Hey. Oh, he wants that bird. The car is electric, so there's nothing for him to get stuck on underneath here. Unless he just doesn't want to come out. The car had to drag him. So, mental note, don't let him get underneath stuff. Nope. If you want to go that way, come this way. Come. There you go. There you go. Nope, not that way. Good boy, you're figuring it out. So if I just apply a little pressure, he figures out he shouldn't go that way and he tries a different way. Smart cat. Nope. Nope. He wants that bird so bad. Do you see it? There it is. There's two of them. Yep, two birds. Sorry, kitty. You ain't getting the birds today. Nope. Oh, man, he wants them birds. Oh, there's a couple of birds there. Two or three of them. Yeah, that's a good kitty cat. So what I do is when he wants to go someplace I don't want him to go, I just hold the leash. I don't pull him, tug him, I just hold it, and he feels the pressure. And eventually he figures it out and tries a different path. He's a smart cat. And he's taken to this very well. I wasn't expecting him to take to it so well. I've seen cats turn into rag dolls when they get harnessed up. He's adorable. We're interested in the scents in this tree. Look at him. He's so cute. He's like, I want to see what this is. I want to smell it all. Oh, that's so cute. He's still got that little unbalance of a kitten. Nope. Can't go underneath, baby. Because then I can't get you out. And plus, those little birdies are not happy about you being here. Nope. You can go around, but not in. I know in is what you want. If he was loose, he'd be up inside this tree by now. There we go. There's another. Oh, there's one right there. Can you see it? Yeah, he's not happy. Come on, baby. This way. Come on. Nope. Come this way, baby. Come on, figure it out. There you go. That's a good kitty cat. Yeah. You're figuring it out pretty quick. Yeah, he wants after them birds so bad. No, kitty. I want you to be a mouse murder machine, not a bird murder machine.